How to watch ESPN app without a TV provider. Step 1. Choose your subscription plan. ESPN now offers two direct tiers. ESPN Select at $12.99. Month includes 32,000 plus live events, but no linear channels, or ESPN Unlimited at $29.99. Month includes all ESPN channels with 47,000 plus live events per year. ESPN Unlimited is the only option that gives you full access without any TV provider login. Step 2. Download the ESPN app. Available on iPhone, iPad, Android, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Roku, Chromecast, Xbox, and most smart TVs. Search for ESPN in your device's app store and install it. Step 3. Log into the ESPN app. Open the app and sign in using your ESPN Unlimited credentials or your login from a live TV streaming service like Sling TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Fubo. No cable provider needed. Step 4. Access ESPN content. Browse live sports, studio shows, ESPN originals, and on-demand replays all in one place. That's it! You can now watch ESPN without a traditional TV provider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.